Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain. As you all know, I do a lot of English classes. There are many of them if you haven't watched my previous classes, so I will make sure that you subscribe to our channel and go there and watch my previous videos. I do a lot of videos about English, and my level best is that I can teach English through my YouTube channel and help others. And the greatest thing I can do is learning things in my life and then teaching it to others. So I will also remember him, and other people will have the help, and other people can also learn English with me. So your people's great feedback, I was very impressed and I was very motivated by your feedback. So now I continued this series, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, watch it. And today I have another video for all of you people, and today we are going to be talking about one of my all-time favorite topics that I very love to talk about, which is adjectives. Now first of all, let me explain adjectives. These are words like, for example, happy, sad, that explain about the noun. Noun is, for example, a person. Hasnain, my name is Hasnain. So Hasnain is happy. So Hasnain is and happy is MR and noun, and at the end we put it a adjective. So the adjectives describe the noun, or we can say an adjective is a word that defines or describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, he is sad, he is happy, he is scared, he is frightened. We can do a lot of things. He is beautiful. Beautiful is also a word. Like, we cannot only express emotions, we can explain different things. So let me explain that for which words we can use. We can use it for gestures. He has very strong gestures. He has a good body gestures, etc. We can use this type of stuff for body gestures, for strong expressions. We can use it. We can use it for expressions like he is sad, he is happy. We can use it for physique. For example, he is very masculine, he is very fat, he is very obese, he is very smart, he is very... We can use all of these words. We can use it for multiple purposes. You guys know it describes a noun or a pronoun. Now let's go for the examples. Happy, sad, scared, and etc. You guys know it. Like, for example, in Urdu we say wo khush hai. So khush is the adjective. Wo khafa hai. Khafa is the adjective. Adjectives are the word that explains what is happening, that explains that how is the noun feeling, how is the noun looking, that how is the noun expressing himself. This is what an adjective shows. So I hope you people understood what I mean to say. Now let's make some sentences with it. Hasnain was very happy on that day, but then he thought to go to school and his mom woke him up. When he woke up, he was feeling sleepy and he was tired. He wasn't happy to wake up. He felt very tired and sad when he woke up. But then he took a fresh bath, and then he woke up from the sleepy mood, and then he got up and then he was happy. He went to his school, he got excited, he was very excited, he had a great day, and that's how the day ended. Now here we use some of the adjectives, some of the proverbs, verbs, some of the nouns, pronouns, etc. We used a lot of words. But have you seen he was sad, he was happy, he was sleepy? These are all adjectives. We can use it in daily life. Now I made these three sentences. I am happy, she is sad, Ali was sleepy on that day, or Ali was tired on that day. Now you people have to write three sentences in the comments and use any adjectives in your life, for example, anyone you want, so that you can have a practice with it. Talk about adjectives and learn adjectives and talk with it, so that it can be helpful for you. And I have to say this much, that you have to not use it like in the first place. Happy is Ali. We cannot use it like that. We have to put the happy in the end, or start a new sentence after happy. For example, Ali was happy then. Then is actually where you connect two words. Ali was happy, but two words. Ali was happy. You have to have a sentence where you finish on adjective, or where you use the adjective in the middle. You cannot use it on the first place. You cannot use it after your noun or pronoun. There has to be a he, she, it after that, or a noun, or after that you have to use is, am, are, or anyone you want, and then an adjective. I am happy. You guys understood that? So this is all for today's video. I hope you guys understood today's video. This was really enjoyable to research about, and I hope you guys also enjoyed this class with me. So thank you so much for being with us in this class, and go check out my other videos, and until my next class, thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.